About 3 of them so far. Hello. Huh? No. Yeah, I got pigeons at my house. Yeah, not these ones, but they look the same, but the ones I got is, look, bougie. Yeah. They gotta eat. Look at this one. He's nice. It's a male. They just had a couple more where they flew, but they flew off. Look at this one right here. Man, that was nice. Oh, here go another one right here. Look at this little jump. That's nice. Oh, with the little tips on them. Right there. Ain't bad. Hey, look at this one right here. Like the same one. It's so nice. That's about it. The rest of them, they looking, I guess, like pigeons. I bet you these two come out the same nest. This one right here, and then this little one over here. I bet they come out the same nest. Look at this little guy back here on the sandy red tip. Look. He got a little sandy red. Alright, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all some Las Vegas stray pigeons. These are strays. We at the shopping center. What's the name of this place? I don't know. Oh, we at the town center. It's the town center. This is actually pretty nice. Look, they coming back. Look at that big blue ball. That must be his mate right there. Back in her. Get on back up there to them babies. Look. Get on back up there to them babies. He's steady dropping in though. Some of these joints is really nice, man. Look at this one right here. Look. Damn, that motherfucker nice. It's clean as hell too. I was trying to look and see if I seen any bands on any of these birds. Maybe they got away from some of the pigeon raisers out here. But I don't see no bands, guys. None at all. None, not one. Look at this guy right here. Sorry about that, my hat on my ball. Look at him. He got a felt upside his head, though he just took off. Yeah, but the nicest two, man, is this one right here. The white and black or whatever that is. And then this one over here. Those are the best two. The little dusty red right there. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all a little something. Alright guys, damn, this nigga nice too right here, look. See him right there? Can you see the color in him? Right there. He nice. Alright y'all, I'm going to grab me something to eat. I'm out of the garden.